Hello from DoubleTree by Hilton in Burj Dubai. It is actually near to old part of Dubai. This is not a beach hotel. It's approximately 20 minutes from the beach. But anyway, so far it looks really nice. Let's go to check in and I will show everything. You can also book an apartment if you want. They do residences as well here. Wow. It is actually 5-star hotel. We will check inside. Wow, check it. Really, really nice. I love the decoration. It's so nice. It is near to Burj shopping center, so if you like some shopping or some treat, you can go there. It's just like 3-4 minutes walk. Here is the hair salon. What we have here? I have some offer. Taste of Asia. Oh, it's buffet every Friday for 129 dirhams. Oh, they actually have 2 swimming pools. I didn't know that. So 19 and then nice. In downstairs you can have some coffee and selection of cakes. Let's check it. It's really nice space. Oh, they also offer non-alcoholic drinks. Wow, really nice. Hello, sir. Lots of options. Oh, they do have ice cream as well. Beautiful. I am already in a room. It is room 2221. I will show you bathroom later on. Let's go to the room first. This is kind of like a rustic style and I really like it. It's so modern. It is really nice vibe. Huge TV, some amenities, free water of course, tea, coffee, etc. I guess this is a mini bar. Do we have something there? Oh no, it's empty, but it's fine. In-room dining menu if you want to enjoy some food. Here, really beautiful. Everything is so nice. I like it. Huge bed. The view, it's not the perfect, but you can see all part of Dubai. It's not really visible with this on it, but yeah, it's kind of like all part of Dubai Deira, etc. Yeah, and down there is Burj Let's check the wardrobe. Safe and hard dryer. Yeah, lots of space. So even if you come here long term, plenty of storage. Iron and iron board. Hangers. They can do laundry for you. And let's go to the bathroom. Wow, it's actually huge. This is kind of like unused space. They can put a bath or something here. Yeah, it's actually pretty decent space, so yeah, and really unused. But anyway, wow, check the shower. It's huge. Amenities. Nice. Beautiful. Wow, this is actually really huge. This is the pool on 19th floor. Hello! Oh, it's small, but it's really nice. Wow, that's really nice. You can have some smoothies if you want. This is open from 9 a.m. till 7 p.m. Lovely. Nice. You can view the frame from here and Burj Khalifa as well, but it's really dusty today. Here is the gym. This is also on the 19th floor. A really nice view. Yeah, the windows are a bit dirty, but that's fine. And it's open 24/7, so you just need your room card, and that's it. Yeah. Beautiful. Here is the second pool. You can have some snacks here if you want. It's not too big, but yeah, it's fine. There is also playground. We'll go closer, maybe we can see that. Oh, can we see?